Across to the Election Commission presser that's being held.
Which could have vitiated the poll process as far as the information whatever has been received till now. Polling has been pretty heavy in Riyasi and Udhampur, and I would like to mention that overall percentage poll which has been recorded so far means just about say 15 minutes ago, is overall average percentage of the entire phase 2 is 71%, which compares with 68.79% in the general elections of 2008. Thus, it's already about more than 2% higher than the average percentage for the same area of phase 2 corresponding period, and we still have long queues in some of the districts, and we expect that the poll process will continue till about another 1 hour, and we expect that another 1 to 2% increase in this tally of 71 is not ruled out. That is one. I would now come individually on the figures that we have for district, each of the district. This is again based on the average of 71. Riyasi has recorded 80% today as compared to 75.10 in assembly elections of 2008. 80% this year compared to 75.10 in 2008. And yes, Riyasi is the first district. Today it has recorded so far 80%, and it was 75.10 in the year 2008 assembly elections. In the recent parliament elections, it was 78.29. Then number 2 is Udhampur, which has recorded today 76%. Now this has recorded a very high, big jump has been recorded in district Udhampur, where 76%, and it was 63.77 in the year 2008. So there has been an increase of almost 13 percentage points so far as the information whatever has come. Then the Lok Sabha tally was 70.81. So Udhampur, I'm repeating, 76 today, 63.77 in 2008, and 70.81 in Lok Sabha elections. Then I come to Poonch. Poonch has recorded 75% so far, and it was just the same in the year 2008, 75%, and in the Lok Sabha election, Poonch had recorded 62.86%. Coming to Kupwara has recorded 68%. This compares with again 68% of 2008 and 62.54 of Lok Sabha elections 2014. And lastly, Kulgam. I just spoke to the DM of Kulgam. The figures are still being compiled, but by and large, as far as whatever information we have, it's going to be above 60%, 60. Last 2008 it was 64.44, and Lok Sabha tally was decimal 36.35. Kulgam in Lok Sabha was 36.35, which is now 60 at this moment, and it was 64.44 in the year 2008.
What was the overall in the Lok Sabha 2014 election?
Yes, I'll take that. Like Lok Sabha overall was 61.04. What is 71 now was 61.04 in Lok Sabha 2014.
On the
and
same constituency.
for the same, exactly same area.
61.04.
68.79. And as I had mentioned earlier, we still expect a rise of another 1 to 2%.
The Lok Sabha election is 61.04.
That is right. So you have 71 now, Lok Sabha 61.04, and Assembly 2008 68.79. And as we had done last time also, I am sure you must have got those informations. We would again update you through our director media, through the PTI or whichever agency. We'll give you the latest figures which we could record at night so that the print media is able to mention the correct percentage poll. Rest, nothing untoward and nothing reportable. Regarding I'll tell the cash seizure later on. I'll request my colleague to brief about happened elections.
Thank you. Good evening, everybody. Today, the poll for second phase of assembly constituencies in Jharkhand passed off peacefully without any incident worth reporting. Following are the special points about this phase of elections. In this phase, we had 20 assembly constituencies comprising of 7 districts. In this phase, 44,31,861 electors participated and 223 candidates participated in this election. We had 3,992 polling stations in this phase.
Well, another historic turnout. We talk about 71% in the second phase of polls in the state of Jammu and Kashmir. This is even 1% more than the first phase. Also, the Election Commission there speaking about 1 or 2% rise by the end of the evening. So this could perhaps go up to 72%.